Here I have another solar-powered item, as many of you like solar-powered stuff, as it's easier to place in your yard and you don't have to worry about that power bill. So here I have what is called the CRACKLE Glass Pathway Solar Light Set. In each box comes 6. They give off a warm light and last up to around 8 hours. And they're easy to place in your garden or along the pathway, anywhere you'd like to stick them. I picked these up from Walmart as they were on sale. They're originally $30. So I picked up 2 of them, as I'll be placing them in my garden. I like having lights in my garden to light up a pathway. So first here we pull out the instructions telling you how to turn them on and set them up. They do come with batteries. So we're going to pull them all out of the box and make sure they all work. If you notice, they're quite big and well packaged, as I have to cut the plastic off first. Here we have one of the CRACKLE Glass Pathway solar lights. The stake was put into the bottom stem. Just pull it out and put it back in, reversing it so you can stake it into the ground. Now the top part turns off. This is where the solar panel and light are. So this product is true to their word, as they call it a crackle glass, because the bulbs are glass. So you want to make sure not to drop it, because they will break. It's almost like having a jar. And right on the bottom here is a push button to turn your light on. Make sure to turn all of these on so they charge and light up at night. You can hear the click. Taking a little bit of time to unpackage them all and turn them on. Next, I'll go set them out in my garden. So I like to place solar lights on each end of the row. I also use these in the early spring to mark where I planted my plants. If you keep watching, you will see what they look like when it gets dark out. Here you can see the sun is going down and it looks like one isn't working. Now if you have the solar light against the wall, you'll see the crackle pattern on the wall. I also put some into my herbal box. I find these lights to be quite bright, even though they're a warm light. Now the company that makes them is called Hometrends. And again, I picked them up at Walmart. Here's what they look like out in the garden very late at night when it's dark. If you forget what it looks like during the day, here's a photo. You can see all the cracks in the glass through the leaves. So if this is your type of solar light, you may like this. If you like this video, smash that like button. And remember to subscribe for all new videos. Click the notification bell to be notified each and every time I post a new video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.